Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you what your Act database name is. So I have an Act database open here on my screen, and this database, if you look up in the top left hand corner, right up here, you're going to see it says Act Act Clever 2020. That is the name of my database. Not the first part, just the last part. Act Clever 2020 is the name of my database. Now, this database happens to be what's called a remote database. This database synchronizes to the cloud, and I can also view this database in the cloud by logging in. The thing that can get a little tricky here is when you're asked for your username, or I'm sorry, I misspoke, your database name, the cloud version of that database can have a different name. In this case, the name of my database is right here, W14, and so on. So it's a number. So if someone asks you what your database name is, it can be two different names if you have both a web and a desktop database, and you need to know the distinction because sometimes you're going to be asked for that information. So that's how you determine the name of your database, and that's a good bit of information to know and make a note of. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day. Bye now.